So guys, I have these beautiful bags here. These bags are so beautiful, and guys, they are so affordable. Everything here is new. Everything here is new. This is the first one. This one comes with a purse. This is the purse. So beautiful, and it also comes with a long hand here. So if you buy this, you are getting a purse, everything included. Guys, so beautiful. Imagine rocking this to church. Any occasion is so beautiful. So I have the black one. This is the black, and this is the brown. So I have it in two. This also has the same purse as well. Yeah. So if you want it, just DM me. So I have, let me say, three, two of this and one. Yeah. So if you want it, just DM me, please. As I said, it's so affordable. So affordable. I also have this too. This one. So with this, I have it in five colors. Five different colors here. So I have, this is the pink, red, I have the brown, I have the black. I also have the this is the black, yeah, black and white, the brown, and also this is the cream. They are all so beautiful. Everything is new. They all come with another long hand. Yeah. This is also backpack. If you want it, just DM me. This backpack, so beautiful. If you want it, DM me. I also have this beautiful one. So beautiful. So if you want it, please DM me. This also has the long strip in there, or the long hand in here. This one as well, so beautiful. This also has the long hands here. So beautiful. So beautiful. So guys, if you want any of these bags, you can just DM me. Yeah, they are so affordable. So affordable. And with these bags, if you order it, you don't have to pay for delivery. These are free delivery. Yeah, I can ship it to anywhere in the UK. Yeah, so if you want it, just DM me. We'll talk about the price here. It's so affordable, so affordable. So if you are seeing this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you are seeing it on our TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, please follow this page. This is a new business we've started. Please, we need your support. So please, if you see this video, even if you don't have the money to buy, just share. Maybe someone out there is looking for these beautiful bags here. Just share it for me. These are so affordable. So as I said, if you want it, just DM me.